So this question is a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, I'm going to call a diagram question. Let's check out this diagram for a second here. The x-axis is years. Looks like we started in 1903, or maybe this is, so we're going by 10-year increments. So this here, although it doesn't really matter, would be 1893. And then the y-axis, we have number of home runs. Okay, so total home runs for selected years, 1903 to 2013. The question says the scatter plot above shows the total number of home runs hit in Major League Baseball in 10-year intervals for selected years. The line of best fit for the data is also shown. Which of the following is closest to the difference between the actual number of home runs and the number predicted by the line of best fit in 2003? Okay, so I'm going to use a red color here. So in 2003, the actual number of home runs is represented by this dot here. And that is, I don't know, it's not exactly halfway between 5,000 and 5,500, but it's kind of close. I'm going to call that around 5,300. And the predicted number of home runs from the line of best fit is here, which looks like it's slightly under 4,500, but very slightly. So I'm going to call like 44, 50. Okay. So then what is the difference between those things? Well, that's just 5,300 minus 4,450. I'm not expecting a perfect answer here because I know that I'm estimating, but let's see what happens. So I'm getting 850. So 850 is here, but I also see 750, which makes me a bit nervous because what if I round it a bit off? These are definitely gone. Let me erase this and let me try to be much more accurate about my guessing. So halfway between 5,000 and 5,500 would be about there and would make me about here. So I'm going to actually revise this to be 5,400. And then here doesn't exactly go through the corner of 4,500 at 2003. It is slightly under. I'm going to still keep with 4,450. Which means 0, 3, 10, 5, 4, 13. Which takes us up to 950. Okay, so I'm not going further down by readjusting things, which means I feel pretty confident that choice D is the correct answer. Hopefully you understand why I took more time to do that. I just want to make sure that I liked 850 over 750. So even though I got 850 at first, I realized that I guessed, it's an educated guess, but I estimated this value 5,300. I estimated this value 4,450. Usually on this test, the numbers aren't so close together. So once I see that they are pretty close together, I just wanted to go back and make sure that I really liked my values. So I changed this one. This one I did end up liking. By doing that, I ended up with an even larger number, which just makes me more confident that 850, not 750, is the correct answer.